Hello everyone, welcome to EduCloud report card series and let's have a deep dive into the monthly progress subject report. Well, this is a report at my subscription tab and let's get started. Let me click on generate report and here I can see a page where I can create a new report. Let me just click on new report and I will select my class um, VI alpha and just clicked on create report. Well, so to generate this report, this is a sample report, and in order to generate this report, these are the very simple step 1 to 7. So let's start from step number 1, report title. Whatever title you type here, that's going to be printed here as the title of the report card. First, this is the second, report date. Whatever date you're going to type here, that's going to print it onto the right corner of the report title. That is the second. Now the third one is a select report card subjects. Whatever subjects you're going to select, let's say I'm selecting Hindi, French, and Math. That means I'm going to print the Hindi, French, and Math in this report card. If you select 5 subjects, the 5 subject will get printed into the report card. If you select 2 subjects, it will print only 2 subjects into the report card. Whatever order you will select. If you want Math first, if you select Math, just use the up and down button and then math will be come as a first here into the report card. Well, that's a third part. Now fourth one, select exam type. So if you select, let's say, IG internal assessment, and so all the IG exams, if you can see, the three are calculated here in Hindi, French, there are four, and Maths three. So all these three, four, and three exams going to be printed into the report card. Here you can select multiple exam type as well. So whatever exam type you will select, all the exams going to be picked up and going to be print onto the report card. If you wanted to restrict the exam based on the exam date, feel free to select term or the date range. If you provide a date range, all the IG internal assessment within this two date range would be picked up. Well, that's a fourth part, and that is the heart of the report card. Okay. The fifth part, do you want it to have uh, average marks? Okay, total marks. So if you select this button at the bottom of this report card Hindi, here you got the average. We'll see that. And sixth one is attendance. If you want attendance, select any term, and or maybe you can put up the date range, and that's it. Well, you can select your school style. So let's say I want to like to have a central align logo, okay, and I want my theme as, let's say, green theme, and just a save. That's it. Oops, I was offline. Let me again try to click. I'm back. Clicked on save. Yeah, so us update it, and let's go and see what was the preview. So I just go there and pick up any student. The report card get generated. I just click to download for the preview, and let's just open up. Yes, the green theme report card printed, and here if you can see the total, the 40 mark, the scored average is the average score is 39 and average percentage is 97. So this is the way math, Hindi, and French report card printed, and I just got the 3 subject here in the 3 subject comparison. If I go there and if I try to go to configuration, and if I add another subject, so let's go to the let's say subjects, and I will add, let's say, here I will add art, a technology, okay, and just say update. And now if I go to preview report and generate any one report, there would be a fourth subject should be added into the report card called technology. Maths, Hindi, French, and yes, we got technology as well. And here also in a graph, automatically get technology. It's very easy, right? Well, so that's about the entire report card. One thing is missing, data entry. The classroom teacher's comments. You just go ahead and have a classroom comment. You can pick up the comment from your favorite, from your school, and you can type and you can have a comment there. If you type the comment, it will be printed in the report card. Well, at the end of the report card, do not forget to use this publish all button. To verify, you should select download all and Excel result. The entire data would be get in Excel and you can publish. After you publish, it will be available for the parents. Well, thanks for the watching this video, and go to the EduCloud report cards to get the more details. If you're looking for customized reports and more details, feel free to contact EduCloud support. Thank you.